In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an amount off order discount in Shopify. This is a fantastic way to incentivize purchases, attract new customers, and keep existing ones coming back for more. Let's dive right into it and make sure you get this set up smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin panel. You can find this by simply logging into your Shopify account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard or homepage. This is your control center, where you can handle everything from inventory to sales reports. But today, our focus is solely on setting up a discount, so let's move forward to that section. Next, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Carefully look through this menu and click on the Discounts tab. This section is dedicated to all the different types of discounts you can create and manage for your store. It's like your toolkit for promotions, where each tool or option can help boost sales in its way. Once you're in the Discounts section, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the Create Discount button. Clicking this will open up a set of different discount types that are available to you. This is where you get to customize and create enticing offers that can encourage your customers to complete a purchase. When you click on Create Discount, you'll be presented with a list of discount types. The one we're focusing on today is called Amount Off Order. Click on this option to proceed. This is a popular choice for many merchants because it allows you to apply a fixed dollar discount to a customer's order. It's straightforward but also effective in providing clear value to your customers as they check out. From here, you'll be prompted to enter specifics about your discount. While the steps showing exactly how to fill in these fields weren't detailed in the instructions, generally you'd specify the amount you'd like to discount, any minimum purchase requirements, and any usage limits. You can also choose whether the discount applies to certain products, collections, or the entire order. Tailor it according to what makes the most sense for your business strategy. Finally, once everything is set up to your satisfaction, ensure you review all the details. It's easy to make little errors, so double-checking can save you from hiccups later on. After your review, click Save, and your new discount will be ready to go live on your store. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an amount off order discount in Shopify. This promotion is now ready to offer your customers a great deal and help increase sales in your store. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new Shopify discount.